Hello guys, welcome back to my channel with new another video. So guys, in this video I am going to show all of you that how to remove extra and bad noise from your audios or videos file. So for this you have specific video that you can solve this issue. So I am going to my Chrome browser and you can go as you want. Here I'm selecting my Google account and you have to just type a keyword on this search bar, audio extractor. After writing this keyword you will see a website like this and just open it. After this website page is loaded, you can see here open video button and press it. Here you can see I have a video file that contain noise. So just open it. It is just uploaded on server and then we will follow next step. Here you can see my video file is uploaded on the server. The second step on this site is to select the audio format what you want. So mostly video editors support the MP3 file. So I suggested to press on MP3. Then third step is to extract audio from this video. After the only 1 second, AI extract all audio from your video. Then you can see here download option and press on download. When you press on download button, the audio file will be downloaded. So I'm going to show how my audio file is. So here you can see audio file is here and we have to just play it and feel how is it. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel with another video. So you can see here is much noise of fan and other things and we are just removing it by AI. So go again on your browser and type it Adobe Audio Enhancer. So when you type this keyword you will get a website. Just open it. After that you will get a option of sign up as you have not registered on Adobe. So I'm going to sign up by my Google account. It is essential process because it is free and it wants an account on this site. So I'm going with continue with Google. So as you can see I have signed up and the next step is to upload my MP3 file to remove background noise. So here is my MP3 audio file. So open it. Still enhancing. It is a likely lengthy process because it depends on the size of your video. So you can play it here like that. So enhance speech. Click it and I'm just playing video. In this video I'm going to show how to remove. So just feel it. After enhance it is very professional audio. Before enhancing this audio you can feel it was like that, and after enhancing it it will be helpful for all. So you can feel how powerful tool is. So for the final step you have to open your video editor. I am just using CapCut on my PC. You can use any editor and I have a literally small editor to use because it is very helpful for me and my work only belong to it. So after confirming this, so I am starting my new project. So I am importing my video file before, which is containing noise. So I have an audio file which is in enhanced mode. Actually, we have not downloaded it. I have to download. Here you can see it is just downloaded. As you can see, I have exported from the CapCut, and I'm going to test it in my video player. Hello guys, welcome back at my channel with new another video. The look and feel of my voice is very crazy. So these all steps will help in your future, and please like, subscribe, and throw down a comment on my channel. It will help me in promoting my channel and making good contents more.